Okay. Before we dive into the topic itself, which is the Junior Programming 101, uh, for Dominic or Mateo or Mati, uh, what is your dream when you grow up? Do you want to be a game developer, an artist, a pilot, or what do you want ba paglaki? You can type in your answer or you can unmute your mic. Let's say when I grow up, I want to be
Doctor.
something doctor. That is for Mati, right?
Yeah.
Yes. How old are you, Mati?
5.
5. How about you, Dominic? How old are you, Dominic?
7.
7. Okay. Uh, you are the two of you are the youngest of my students. Okay. Dominic wants to be a scientist. You want to create medicine or give medicine to a patient? A doctor, indeed. Ano?
Oh, please treat me, okay? What? What kind of scientist do you want? Yeah, you said you want to be scientist. What kind of science?
Okay, guys, dear students, for the meantime, you can turn off your cam or our cam so that we can start our session proper.
Now. Ano na?
Okay, I will turn off my cam. Okay, if you can see my screen, it says, Welcome to Junior Programming 101. Kindly type 2 in the chat box. Okay. Dominic can see my shared screen. Okay. Also James, Joseph. How about Mati? Can you see my screen or shared screen, Mati? Okay. We are good to go. Okay. To the newcomers for James and Joseph, welcome to Philippine Coding Camp. Okay. And welcome to the Junior Programming 101. Okay. Programming 101, Junior rather, is the first step in your journey into real world of programming or coding. Okay. And in this topic, you will not create such code. Unlike other real developers, all you have to do is drag and drop and change some value. Okay. It differs from the real developer that actually write and code the whole program. Okay. And you don't need to download any tool. All you need to do is an Internet Explorer, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. Okay. Sige. By the way, if anyone cannot hear my voice clearly, don't worry. We have a recorded this session. All of our sessions will be recorded. Ayan, so that you can watch it repeatedly. If you want to, ano, if you want to go back to the lesson that you missed, ayan, you can rewatch. And that link, that video, that those and or all the recorded videos, you can ask the any of the personnel of the Philippine Coding Camp. Just ask for the YouTube link of your course and just ask Junior Programming 101 YouTube link session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Those are for anyone that cannot hear clearly my voice. Ano? Okay. Now, are you ready to dive in to the Junior Programming 101 topic or course or short course? Kindly type 3. Okay. Okay. Let's dive into the PowerPoint presentation. Once again, welcome to Philippine Coding Camp. Welcome to Junior Programming 101. Okay. What is the tool that we will use to create a simple program? Okay. Without downloading any tool such as VS Code. VS Code is for professional developer. Okay? Okay. Then for you guys, you are the young ones of the uh, programming. We will use only an Internet Explorer, such as Chrome and the browsers that I have mentioned earlier. And once again, the tool that we will use is called Scratch. Okay. Scratch is a visual programming language and an online community developed by the lifelong kindergarten group at the MIT Media Lab. MIT stands for Massachusetts Information Technology, one of the best university in the United States of America. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the presentation. Kindergarten group at the MIT Massachusetts Institute of Technology Media Lab. It is designed to be an accessible and beginner-friendly platform that allows users, especially children and young learners, to create interactive stories, animation, games, and other multimedia projects. Okay, what are the key features of Scratch? Visual programming interface, colorful sprites and background, events and script, costumes and sound editing, control structures, collaboration and online community, cross-platform and web-based, educational focus. Okay, let's now set up our Scratch app development. Okay, go to any web browser like Google Chrome. Okay, then simply type Scratch. Okay, I will go or I will open my Google Chrome. Then I'll just type Scratch, and then this will be the initial page that you will see once you type Scratch at the Google Chrome. Okay, then choose this one, the top on the list, Scratch dash MIT. Okay. If you cannot follow my instruction, don't worry. You can rewatch or do a replay of our recorded video. Ano? Okay. Then, click join or sign in button. Okay. Not only the recorded video will be uploaded. You can ask for this material, ano? So that uh, if you prefer the PowerPoint presentation to follow along the step by step, you can have one naman. Just ask for the permission uh, from the or any of the Philippine Code Camp contacts or personnel. Okay. Once you are once you are in the Scratch landing page, we call it the landing page, ano? And if you do not have an account yet, you can click join Scratch. Okay. Create username, create password, type password again, and then once you complete the uh, necessary credentials from three inputs, you can click next. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Then, what country do you live in? Okay. Choose your country that you are currently live in. Ano? If you live in the United States, choose United States of America. If Philippines, choose look for P. Ayan. Then choose Philippines. Then click next. Then, when were you born? The month and the year. Then click next. Ayan, what's your gender? Female, male, non-binary, another gender. Prefer not to say. Then next, what's your email? Then create your account. Okay. You are now logged in. You can start exploring and creating project. Ayan. Okay. Once you are logged in, but before you log, make sure you created your account. Okay. Sige. Sino dito ang hindi gumagana? You can type yes in the chat box. Kasi meron na hindi gumagana. Ayan. Sige. We will wait for the others to complete the process of creating an account and logging into your account. Join or sign in, then create a username. Do not use your real name. If the username is already taken, then think of another username. Okay. Then enter your preferred password. Then kindly repeat your password for the re-entry of your password right below the password. Okay. In the password section, you have to inbox. Okay. Then what country do you live in? You can choose Philippines. If you are in the Philippines, you can choose any country you prefer, and then the month and the year of your birthday, and then your gender, male, female, and your okay. Sige. Ayan. Once you are done, once you log in, guys, this is the landing page of the Scratch. Okay, let's wait for the others to create and log into their account. If you are done, guys, kindly type 1 in the chat box. Okay. For Joseph, done. Tor, done. Mati, done. Dominic, done. Tor, done. Okay. And some of you are are very happy in in uh, just for the creation of their account. Ano? Okay, for anyone that do not have an account yet, kindly type zero. That do not have the account yet, type zero in the chat box. If you have one, don't do anything for now. Just type zero to any of our students that do not have an account yet. Okay, sige. Saan saan nagkaka-issue Amara? Okay na po. Ayan, sige. If you have question guys, don't hesitate to type in your inquiry or your question in the chat box so that we can cater your your question. Then we will address on whatever your inquiries are. Then we can proceed with the or we can continue with the discussion. Okay. Since we are in the same page, then we can now create our application. But first, let's browse what are the sections of our Scratch web app. Okay. We will use our PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Yan. Create a new Scratch project. Ayan. Okay. Go to your web browser. Kindly look for the create something like uh, a caption. And that caption is also a box. Then click the create uh, button. And then you will see this environment. You will see on the left side a bunch of letters and buttons. In the middle, you can see a white space. And on the right side, ano, nahati siya sa dalawa. The upper part is an orange cat and the lower part is something that you will know later what is the part of this section. Okay. If all of you guys are or are we on the same page? Kindly type 1. Okay. We are in the same page. We are using the same environment. Now, you can create a web app just not yet. Not yet muna. Kasi pag-aaralan muna natin what are the functions of the buttons, of the letters, so on and so forth before we create an actual application. Okay, Scratch interface. Ayan. On the left side, guys, you can see the code tab. Okay, what is the code tab? What is the function of the code tab? Okay, it's the place where you create the instructions, also known as the code. Okay, that tells your sprite. Sprite, guys, is the character. The character that you want to move, to jump, to crawl, to rotate, to disappear, to reappear, so on and so forth. You can do to a sprite or character the things that you want to do. Okay, what is the code block? The code block is actually the instruction or the step by step instruction of what your sprite will do. For example, your sprite or your character will jump 10 times. The instruction or those instruction you can create through the code block. Okay, then let's move on. Code area. Okay, this will be your area where the instruction will be placed or drag. That's why a Scratch is one of the top environment for young ones, young at hearts that wants to dive into the world of coding or programming. Because Scratch is the mode of coding is just like a drag and drop. Unlike in the professional setting that before you will see or before you see an output, you need to code. Unlike sa Scratch, you can see the output without even typing a single code or character. Okay. The add extension. Add extension button is a purple color button available in the bottom left corner of the Scratch using interface. Using the extension button, the user can add new blocks to the code blocks. Okay. Then we have the costume tab. Okay. Once again, if uh, if you notice that I'm in a past pace of lecturing, do not worry. We will have a recorded video as well as this instructional material. Okay. Now, let's go back to the presentation. Okay. The costume tab in Scratch is where you can customize the appearance of your sprite. Once again, sprite is your character. Ayan. Okay. The costume list is located on the left side of the tab and it displays all the different costumes for the currently selected sprite. Where you first create a sprite, it typically comes with a default costume. Okay, costume editing area. For now, we will not create uh, any app. Okay, we are on the getting to know or the basics of Scratch. The sections of Scratch that we will use for the entire course. Okay, adding a costume. Okay, you will learn more some of the functions when we are doing an actual application. For now, uh, we cannot appreciate deeply, because we are in the first stage of our lesson. But I think on the next meeting, we will create our application and For the 9 and 10 sessions, you will create your project, or we can create our costume project based on the learnings that you have learned or you will learn through the program. Okay, sound tab. Okay, sound tab is next to the costume tab. Ayan. In the sound tab, you can edit, you can create your sound effect, audio effects, background music. You can upload your voice. Ayan. That is the function of the sound tab. Okay. Sound list. Sound list is the actual effect or the sound. Based on the presentation, we have meow. You can download naman any sound effect from the internet. You can do a lot of research for the dog. You can look for ow or grrr, and then for ano pa ba? Tweet tweet, something like those sounds, ano. And then you can edit those sound in the sound tab. Okay. Then adding a sound. You can not only add an image, you can actually add a sound or record your own voice. Yan. Okay. Stage layout. Stage layout is the section where you can preview your Scratch project. Whatever the instruction you set to your character sprite, the character will do the instruction. Okay. The green colored flag is the play button. Once you click, the instruction will proceed and your character or sprite will do the instruction. Such as if we have set an instruction of jump 10 times, lulundag siya ng 10 beses. Kung magro-rotate siya ng 100 times, magro-rotate siya ng 100 times. Ano? Pero ang dami naman, baka maliyo. Ano? Don't worry because if we have a play button, we also do have the stop button. And stop button is next right to the play button. And it is a red colored theme na octagon ang kanyang shape. Okay. The small stage layout. The large stage layout. And then, if you want to see or preview your Scratch project full screen, Scratch offers that function. Just click the arrow or arrows pointed at each uh, corners. Okay. Sprint pane. Sprint pane is the area available below the stage layout of the Scratch user interface. It allows user to quickly switch sprites and view different script that different sprite holds. Okay, sprite rename. We can do our renaming of a sprite. We can change sprite 1 in to my character one, or my dog one, or my cat one, or any name that you can think of. Ano? Okay. X and Y. X and Y are for the positions of your selected sprite. If you want to set your sprite at the middle of screen, you can enter your preferred position in the X and Y input boxes. Okay. Then show and hide. Size, the size of your sprite. Okay, the direction is used to change the direction of the selected sprite. Okay, then the backdrop in Scratch, a backdrop refers to the background image display on the stage, the main canvas where your project takes place. The backdrop sets the scene or environment for your sprite to interact in your project. The backpack is the area available at the bottom of the Scratch user interface. It can be opened by just clicking on it. It helps users in saving their time by writing the same logic again and again and saving any logic or algorithm to use in the future for other projects. Okay. Terms to remember. For students starting with Scratch, okay, or any programming language or languages. Okay. Please do remember, it's essential to become familiar with some basic programming terms. Understanding these terms will help you grasp the concept and apply them effectively while creating your project. Okay, and we have the history of some of the sections and their functionalities. We have this sprite, backdrop, code blocks, script. We have event and control blocks. Sprite, in simple term, it is the character. Okay, the backdrop is the background image display on the stage. Para siyang background image. Okay. And the code blocks, it is a colorful puzzle-like pieces in Scratch that represent commands or actions. Students use these blocks to program the behavior of sprite. And then we have script. This is the codes in the code block. Okay, we have the event, an action or occurrence that triggers a script to run, such as clicking the green flag, pressing a key, or touching a sprite. Okay, control blocks used to control the flow of the program, such as loops, repeat blocks, and conditionals. We do also have control blocks, variable, costume, backdrop library, sprite library. For the control blocks, we have blocks used to control the flow of the program, such as loops and conditionals. Variable, a name container for storing data that can be used and changed throughout the program. Costume. Different appearances of a sprite can be switched to create animation or change the sprite's appearances. Backdrop library, collection of pre-made backdrops that students can choose from to change the stage background. And lastly, the sprite library, a collection of pre-made sprites that students can choose from to add characters and objects. Okay. We have broadcast, stage coordinates, debugging loop, conditional, event-driven programming. Okay. Broadcast a way for sprites to send and receive messages to communicate and triggers events in different parts of the project. Stage coordinates, a system to identify the location of sprites in the stage using X and Y coordinate. Debugging, in layman's term or a simple term, fixing an errors. That is debugging. Loop. A loop is a repetition of code. That is the short meaning of looping. Conditional. Conditional is a structure that allows the program to make decisions based on specific condition. Okay, think of just for this demo. Okay, your mom doesn't allow you to play outside, but your dad allows you to play outside. That is a form of conditional. If the mom allows you or doesn't allow you, else dad allows. Yan. That is what I'm saying is just a form of conditional coding, conditional statement. Ano? But as we go along with the program, you will learn naman the looping, conditional, debugging, so on and so forth. Event-driven programming. Programming style where the program responds to events triggered by user interaction or other occurrences. Okay, algorithm. Algorithm is the step-by-step sequence of instruction that solves a specific problem or perform a task. If you are done with the coding from the top down to the bottom, okay, that complete program, that step-by-step instruction is the algorithm. Okay. We are in the end of our presentation. Once again, we have a recorded video and I will send the uh, this material. Ano? Okay. Who want to see an example of a Scratch application? Kindly type 2. Okay. Ay, parang ayaw yatang makakita ng example ah. Hindi pala. Marami palang may gusto. Okay. I have a question. Who knows the game Flappy Bird? Kindly type 1. Okay. Flappy Bird is a very simple game that you can create in the Scratch web app. No? I do have an example, but it is not a complete application. Uh, I'm in the first phase of creating the my version of Flappy Bird. Ano? Okay, I will turn on my cam. Ayan. Hanapin ko lang yung ating ano. yung ating Flappy Bird. Okay. Okay. Type 3, if you can see my shared screen. Type 3. Sprite 1, Sprite 2, 2 sprites 2. Ano? Kindly type 3. Okay. I will show you a brief demonstration of what Scratch can do. Ano? This is a very brief program. This is in the first phase of developing my version of Flappy Bird. Ano? So that for the trial students, you can tell your parents if if you want to continue your education for the Junior Programming 101. This is one thing that you can create or do in Scratch. Okay, let's play the green flag or the let's click the play button. The play button once again is the colored green flag right beside the stop button. Okay, I will click now the play button. Ayan. Okay. If you do not have, which is understood naman na wala pa talaga kasi we are in the learning process pa rin ng Scratch. And we do not create a- an app, just the basic sections of the sprite. Okay. For now, you will think or you will see that this program is very hard to create. For now, for now. But in reality, this is a very basic program. Ano? You do not need to code the entire algorithm. You just drag and drop some sections and change some values. Ano? Okay. I will stop na the program. Baka abutin tayo ng 4 p.m. Yan. Mhm. Okay. Uh, any questions before we end our session? For the trial classes, uh, it's up to your parents actually if you want to pursue this, trial students, if you want to pursue this type of learnings or endeavor. Ayan. I have shown you uh, the things or the thing, ano? Kasi Flappy Bird pa lang naman. The thing that you can do with Scratch, ano? And one of the games I'm hoping na through the course I will present you the some run and shoot game, ano? Run and shoot. If you run, I will shoot. That the type of game. And that game can create or develop through this Scratch web app. Ano? Some of the students are in the trial class. Okay. Since we do not have a question, once again, to,
Uh, I have a
sige,
question po.
sige.
Uh, what are the what are the projects that we're gonna do in this course?
Ma, you can, ano, you will know the programs, the projects on the following day. I think Wednesday. The schedule of our sessions are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Ano?
Okay.
Okay. The projects or the programs that we will tackle from day 2 up to day 10. Up to day 10. And we do not have a class on May 12 because it is a, a judgment day. A judgment day for the politicians. Boboto ang ating mga magulang, ang ating mga ate at kuya. Kaya wala tayong pasok sa next Monday, ano? Okay. It's 3, it's past 3 p.m. Once again, thank you guys for attending this session 1. And I'm hoping na magkita-kita ulit tayo for the day 2 up to day 10. Okay, we have a lot to do and you have a lot to learn to this short from this short course, which is Junior Programming 101. Once again, thank you. Have a good day and happy coding. Bye guys. Ingat palagi.